kachori come out real big deal. Mommy is making kachori. This is grated cabbage. She's gonna use grated cabbage, and here and this is how her mother used to make it. And this is carrots and what? Aloo. Carrots and aloo.
And cabbage.
Moving quick before I could film. This is I think she is ground dal that she put inside this bowl now. Yeah, then all-purpose flour.
Just about
Some turmeric or saffron, salt. She put in a little bit of jeera. Sugar. She put in yeast, a little baking powder, some bandania, garlic, hot pepper, more garlic, more bandania. I'm gonna add her vegetables to this, which is cabbage, carrots, and well, potato, aloo. She mixing it.
I will not water here because remember the vegetables are wet.
And it's got to be kind of like thick because you had to fry it, huh? It can't be like a watery.
Yeah, no. Because
so cabbage lets out a lot of moisture, carrots also does, and potato. So that's why she's gonna add water very last, because she needs to see how much liquid it actually lets out, right? And testing it out, she just take a little bit and put it in the palm of her hands to see how it's forming, if it's staying. You have to add any water in it? Okay, so you only add water if it's very dry, but because all the vegetables combine with this, it releases enough water to make a nice soft batter. Actually, no, this is more like a nice thick batter. She don't have to add water, but mommy, if you leave it, when you leave it to raise something a little bit,
it might get a little soft too.
Okay.
It might get a little soft.
Right. So okay. So that's good, and she didn't add any water. I find it looking good too, because if you have to take this and scoop it out and fry it. So I'm gonna cover this kachori batter that mommy made, and we're gonna just let it leave it. So you grab a little tiny bit and you pat it out like in a circle, and then okay. Oh, look how they really float up nice, huh? I love that pot, girl. I bring this pot in my suitcase, you know. So it have to be like golden brown.
Yeah.
Okay, nice and brown.
I should do that in the oven for me.
Wow, wow. Yeah, look real nice. Spongy and crisp. So that's it, guys. Mommy's kachori.
Grandmother's
Mommy's mother's.
Mama, say mama.
Okay, ma's kachori. This kachori come out real big deal.